Came downstairs when I noticed a smell, and I noticed instantly that the cracks look wet, and you can see the water reflecting. All the cracks, it's hard to see, are stuffed with water. Over here in the corner, I got a good little puddle. All these boxes are wet. Every crack in here, as you can see. See if I can get down in there, and you can see that every crack is full of water, because when you go over here to the sub pump, it's literally not even 1 inch away from the top of the unit. It's actually 100% full. Let's go ahead and get her plugged in. I just got her replaced. Now that we got her fixed, it's draining really fast. Yeah, there's probably a couple of 100 gallons easy sitting in this basement, because all the walls are wet in the corners. Well, that's draining. I'll show you. Everything is wet. Every corner around the whole basement is all wet. Every line is full of water and looks moistury wet, like you can see here, bigger and better. Here in the middle, so you can see the big wet lines. As soon as I noticed every corner is just moist. Got some boxes over here, got some moisture on them. But we got it replaced. There's some more water, so you can kind of see it's starting to puddle up. But since we got that replaced now, hopefully now the smell will go away, because the smell is just absolutely terrible. And the pump hasn't even shut off. There's so much water coming in there. It's just running. Wow. It's going to take it a while to get this water down. Yeah, it's continuously filling up. It's still going. It almost got down to that pipe right there, but now it's about almost right to it, and now it's about 1 inch above it, because the water's just flowing in these pipes so fast. But yep, it's still going. You can hear it. That's what happens when you don't replace your sub pump for over 10 years. It's been the same one in there. I knew I should have did it a year or two ago, but I don't know why I didn't. But anyway, it's fixed. You know, I just hope we don't have a mold problem. This is a result of over 15 minutes almost of my sub pump running, because my basement almost flooded because the sub pump kicked out. And it was literally not even an inch away from coming out the hole. All the cracks in the basement, as you could see in the previous video, were completely full and getting ready to start coming out. I had some wet spots. All the corners were completely wet, and it's still going. Still going. Oh, I think I just averted a disaster here. Glad I didn't go down there and find 2 feet of water. But that's what happens when you don't check your sub pump before 10 years. So we're finally getting below the pump, or the pipes here, but as you can see, it's been flowing like this it just finally kicked off. fill up, and then it kicks on. Just a minute to catch up to it. Turn it off. It's been running already for over about 20-25 minutes. This thing does around 4,500 gallons an hour. So we probably moved almost 1,000 gallons or more already. See, we got some pretty good flow, and the little hole there in the corner, every time it kicks out there, the water's higher than that thing, so you can see it kind of flowing into the corner in the back. But yeah, we were like right up there before. And usually it's down below the pipe. It was always below the pipe. It never had water into it. I'm just happy I didn't come down here, like I said before, and find 2 feet of water